Hi, everyone, and welcome back to your English grammar lesson for adults. Now, this is unit number 3, and it is lesson number 1. So, congratulations for making it through units 1 and unit 2. Today, we're going to learn all about verbs. Now, what kind of verbs, though? Action verbs. They're the best ones to start with. Starting, that's an action verb. So, what is an action verb? Well, an action verb is a word that expresses actions or states of being. What? What does that mean? I'll show you. Take a look at this example. Run. Okay, now you already understand what an action verb is. Run. Jump. Right? We're doing something. Laughing and sleeping. Even though you're not really moving around a lot, you're physically doing something. So, action verbs are things that you physically do. Action verbs can also describe actions that are not visible. It means you can't see them, right? Or they represent some kind of internal process, like a thought, okay? Here are some examples of that. I just said one. Thought, right? Think. What are you doing? Thinking. I'm thinking, right? I'm not outwardly having actions. It's happening in my head. And what are you doing? I believe this will help you learn what action verbs are. I'm thinking, I'm believing, I'm feeling something, okay? So, that's still an action verb. Let's try and see if we understand all this by taking a look at our quick checkup. So, what I want you to do is underline each action verb in the sentence, okay? Pause the video now, underline them, and we will check to see if you found all of them, okay? Pause the video. Okay, let's take a look at the answers, but I'm sure that you've found them all. Number 1, the cat chased the mouse across the yard. The cat did something. Sarah sings beautifully in the school choir. She did something. The sun rises in the east every morning. The children play happily in the park. The teacher explains. She's doing it. She's teaching you. She's explaining the lesson to the students. The birds chirp melodiously in the early morning, right? They make a sound. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Jake swims competitively at the local pool. He's doing something. And the wind blows softly through the trees. Now, I'm pretty sure that you found all of them. So let's just jump right into our first exercise, where we're going to do the same thing. Read each of these sentences and find the action verbs in them. Okay? Pause the video now, and then we'll check them. Okay, let's take a look at the answers to see if you found them all. Okay? Number 1, Maria dances. There's something she's doing. The chef prepares a delicious meal. He or she is making something. The birds chirp. We know that one. Alex swims laps. The mechanic fixes cars. He or she is banging on it and repairing things. Sarah reads novels in her spare time. You can see her holding the book and turning the pages. The children practice soccer. They're running around. They're kicking the ball. The musician plays the guitar. You can see them do it. You can hear it. Lisa writes poetry in her journal. Well, I guess that's what a pencil would sound like. But she's writing. You can see her do it. You can hear the pencil. And number 10, Max runs marathons for charity. Yeah, Max is running. Now, let's take a look at exercise number 2. We're going to find the action verbs in a paragraph this time. So pay attention, take your time, and see if you can find all of them, all right? Let's pause the video. All right, let's see if you found all of the action verbs. Let's take a look at this paragraph. In the bustling city of New York, people hurry through the crowded streets. Cars honk impatiently, and sirens wail in the distance. Pedestrians weave through traffic, cyclists pedal swiftly, and delivery trucks navigate the chaotic roads. Street performers entertain passers-by. Musicians play catchy tunes. The vendors sell hot dogs and pretzels on the street corners. Tourists snap photos of iconic landmarks. Commuters rush to catch trains, and workers hustle to reach their offices on time. Amidst the hustle and bustle, life in the city never slows down. I bet you found all of them. And if you have any questions, remember, you can actively send me a message, leave me a comment, and ask me for help, and I will do my best to make sure that you understand action verbs and everything that you need to know about them. I'll see you for the next lesson. Now that we're in Unit 3, get ready. It's going to be about verbs. Goodbye.